Today, I'll be showing you guys how to do bubble nail art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You're going to start by painting your nails maroon. Put gel polish on the nail to make it tacky. Now add the bubbles to the tacky gel polish. Check out the videos at the top of the screen and the videos on the end screen. Now cure the polish. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.
Fish aren't meant